Welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video regarding how you can create a blend on your Spotify app. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel. So yeah, let's get started. So you will just go to your Spotify app first. Once your app is open, you will see this search icon below. Tap on that icon and then you will see this option called Made for You. Tap on that option, and in this Made for You, you will see another option called Made for Us called Create a Blend. Simply tap on that option, and now you can send this invitation to your friend, whoever you would like, and you will just tap on this invite option below, and this will open up the social media platforms where you can just send your invitation to your friend to let them know that you want to create a blend playlist with them. So just choose any of the message option or the person. Tap on your friend, and here you go, the link that you wanted to share to have a blend with your friend is shared. And once they also click on that and they confirm, and then you can have a playlist blend with your friends. So yeah, this is how you create a blend playlist on your Spotify app, and I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys next time.